Your home should be your sanctuary, a place to relax and unwind after a long day. But if your room is outdated or cluttered, it can be hard to find that sense of peace. That's why today we are going to explore some amazing room design ideas that will help you create the perfect space for you. The first thing to consider when designing your room is your personal style. Do you love bright colors and bold patterns, or do you prefer a more minimalist look? Once you have identified your style, you can start choosing colors, furniture, and decor that reflect your personality. If you love bright colors and unique decor, an eclectic design might be perfect for you. This style often combine different patterns, textures, and colors to create a playful and inviting space. Try mixing bold prints and unique pieces of furniture for a truly one of a kind look. On the other hand, if you prefer a more minimalist style, focus on simplicity and functionality. Keep your color palette neutral and choose furniture and decor that serve a purpose. This will help create a clean and clutter-free space that promote relaxation and calm. If you are looking for a cozy and inviting space, try a traditional design. This might include warm, rich colors, plush fabrics, and classic patterns. Add some vintage inspired pieces to create a timeless and elegant look. If you prefer a sleek and modern style, focus on clean lines, minimalism, and bold accents. Think metallic finish, geometric shapes, and monochromatic color scheme. This will help create a space that feels fresh and contemporary. For a more beachy and relaxed vibe, consider a coastal design. This might include ocean-inspired colors like blues and greens, woven textures, and nautical accents. Add some neutral material like wood and wicker to create a laid-back and breezy feel. And if you are looking for something truly unique, try a Bohemian design. This style often incorporate global influences like Moroccan rag or Indian textile and focus on natural material like wood, leather, and rattan. Add some plant and bright colors to create a fun and lively space. When designing your room, remember to pay attention to small details. Add some art to wall, invest in some cozy